Let's say you want to center text across these two cells. What you could do, you could go Home, Alignment, and select Merge and Center. But then you won't be able to select, filter, or sort very easily. If I try to select column A, for example, I can't. The Merge Cells expands selection. If I try, for example, sort, if I select column A, go to sort and filter, and want to sort, I've got an error. So what you can do, you can center data across multiple columns without merging cells. So let's unmerge this. Select cells you want to center across. Right click and choose Format Cells. Click on Alignment tab. Go to Horizontal. And from the drop-down select Center Across Selection. Hit OK. And voila! I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks!